Hello everyone, my name is James Suhan. I'm a graduate support engineer here at E1 Solutions. And in this video, I'm just going to do a basic rundown of how to adjust your connection settings used in your BC connectors inside of Popdock. Here I am inside of Popdock. And in this tab right here, I have my Business Central open. So when it comes to Business Central connectors, more times than not, they don't really change. I know obviously your production is going to remain the same. That's a pretty standard static environment. You don't really want to be changing that, losing any of that data. But when it comes to your BC sandboxes, those can be discarded, spawn up, get new ones pretty much at a moment's notice whenever you want. So one of the questions we see a lot is, I have this new environment and this is what we want to use for our sandbox. What do we do? Because we have our sandbox connector that's tied to the old environment. Do we have to create a new one? Is there a way to port everything over to a new connector? What do we need to do? Which I'm going to tell you, you do not need to create a new connector. If you have a new sandbox environment, you do not need to create a new BC connector. You can keep the existing one and you just point it to a different location. So if I go to my Business Central Sandbox connector right here, as you can see in this, our environment is the test sandbox. That is the environment I'm looking at. So if for any reason you make changes, let's say you want to connect to a different sandbox, or you have a different publishing company, something needs to be changed with these connection settings right here. Essentially what you do is you'll go into Business Central, get the information that is needed, and once you have that information verifying all of this is correct, you'll then want to go ahead and click on connect. This will bring you to your BC login, in which this is your BC login credentials, not your Popdock credentials, your BC credentials. Your credentials you use to log into Popdock will not work for this. Obviously it's tied to Popdock, but a BC account will work. Typically, I recommend it being the account that was used to create the connector. But if you have your own account with ideally super permissions to not interfere with the query builder or anything along those lines, that would work just as fine as well. So as you can see here, it's prompting me with my login email. I click next, input the password, and then I have my multi-factor authentication, in which for this, we'll just punch in that code. And there. So now the changes are reflected. It's pointed at a new environment. The publishing company is updated, maybe even a new tenant if that's needed, but that's done. And then once you get to the new environment, if you have any existing query builder lists, embedded widgets, anything like that, you would just go ahead, republish that over into your Business Central environment, and you're back up and running. Which again, this is the way to go. Do not create a whole new connector. Don't try to import, export anything. Don't rebuild anything, when all you need to do is just adjust your connector settings and go from there.